Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a messy fishtail updo. Firstly, you're going to want to section off the front of the hair, so just do this from the top of the head down to just past the ear and clip these out of the way for now. Once you've got the front out of the way, pop the remaining hair into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. Pinch and pull at the hair just to give it some more texture and volume. Next, we're going to make a little bun out of that ponytail, and we're going to do this by doing a simple knot. So split the hair in half and just tie them together like you would a shoelace. Secure that knot to the head using a few bobby pins, making sure that it covers the elastic band. Then you're going to want to take those two ends that are loose. Depending on how long your hair is, you could always knot these again, but as my model's got short hair, I'm just going to give these a little twist and pin them next to the knot. To loosen up that bun and give it more volume, just pull on various sections and secure any bits that have gone too loose with a bobby pin. Drop down that front section, and all we're going to do is create a really simple fishtail braid. To do this, split the section in half and take a small slice of hair from the outside of the left hand strand, pass it over and join it into the middle of the right hand strand. Then take a small slice of hair from the outside of the right hand strand, cross it over and join it to the middle of the left hand strand. Then literally all you're going to do is repeat this all the way to the end of the hair and tie off with a clear elastic band. Give that fishtail braid a spray with some texture spray, and then just gently pull at each individual section just to make it big and messy. Take that braid and drape it over the messy bun we created, and just use a few bobby pins to secure it to the side of the head. Next, we're going to do exactly the same braid on the other section at the front. Take that second braid and drape it over the bun, hiding the ends under the first fishtail braid, and then just secure it to the head using some more bobby pins. I left a few pieces of hair out around the hairline, and I'm just going to curl these using my GHD straighteners. So that's the style finished. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.